This is the S7 Premium model. Now the blue LED turn off, means the PIR function disabled. Press left button to turn on the main light. Press to adjust the brightness. Adjust the lighting direction. Press over 3 seconds to turn off the main light. Under the main light turn off, press over 3 seconds to turn off the blue light ring. Again, press 3 seconds to turn on the blue light ring. Under the main light off, press the right button to turn on the PIR function. You can find here the blue LED turns on. Press 3 seconds to enter into delay timer setting mode. 1 LED means 30 seconds, 2 LED means 60 seconds, 3 LED means 180 seconds. Now it's 1 LED for 30 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds, the main light flash again to jump out the delay timer setting mode. This is the PIR sensor, and this is the light sensor. Our setting is when the environment lighting above 20 lumens, then the PIR will not function. Now we cover the light sensor. So the PIR function and main light turn on. The main light will shut down after 30 seconds as we just set it.